And we're back. So we're at the Louisiana Visitor Center. This is on the other side of Louisiana. Last time we visited the other visitor center. This is on the other side. There's a little nature trail here. My dad's smoking a little cigar. We'll wake him up for a little bit, so we're gonna go on this little nature trail really quick. It's like a little swamp. Apparently there's gators here, so gotta check this out. Whoa. See if we spot a gator. This is cool. Yeah, we're gonna go on this dock over here. Yeah, this is definitely a swamp. See if I see a gator. Gator? I don't see one. This is cool, dude. What? Also, I got me some Buc-ee's soda. It's literally a official Buc-ee's soda. Not the greatest, but yeah. Oh, I already said, or no, never mind. That was in a different video I didn't post. Shorter video. This is very cool. Swamp. I want to spot a gator. There's got to be a gator somewhere, right? My gosh, there's so many gnats. Oh my god. Yo, whoa. Yo, there's so many gnats. What is this? Yo, what is going on? This, what, frick. Yo, what in the world? Oh, sorry, okay. Dude, there was like a trillion. I've never seen that many gnats before. Oh my gosh. Wow. Dude, there's still more. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm like running through this. Dude, there's like a trillion gnats. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, man. Ooh. Birdie. That's somewhere out there. somewhere. There's a gator, man. How do you do that pop? Oh, is that a gator right there? It is. Yeah, if you do a little popping sound, it makes them come up because they think they're makes the it's the sound they make when they're eaten, so that makes them think they're getting fed and they get jealous. There's a gator over there. There's a little baby gator right there. That's a little baby gator right there. I want one to come over here. I don't. Yeah, there's no way in heck one's gonna jump up all the way on this fence and grab me. I doubt that will happen, but no. I know it sounds super goofy, but it works. It works. If only I had a thing to like, I don't know. He's just chilling. There's a little baby over there. That's it. At least I saw one. If one just came up, that would be sick, dude. Well. Or, well, actually, I mean, now that I think about it, they say don't feed the gators. They probably don't even know. Probably not used to people making that sound because they're not trying to attract them, but that's the sound they make, so I guess they don't get fed here, so they're probably not gonna come to that, right? Worth a try, though. Anyway, baby gators over there. Very cool. Oh, there's the visitor center. Back that way. We can get a nice little view of the, well, this is a nice enough view. Visitor center right there. Forgot my hat, by the way. Don't have my hat still with me. I forgot. I meant to grab it. It's one of my favorite shirts, but it's shrunk. See how it shrunk? See how it doesn't go like below? All the other shirts go below the white shirt. This one doesn't because it's shrunk. But yeah. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed this one. This is probably the last video. I keep saying that, but I mean, I didn't think there would be an old nature trail here. This is pretty cool. The gate, he's still just right there. But hope y'all enjoyed this one. This is a pretty good one. We'll see if we get another one, but this also could be the last one. But we'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye now.